cooking with Frankie Meatball today? Get out of here. Today, it's not cooking with Frankie Meatball. It's grilling with Frankie Meatball because we're outside. It's summertime. New cooking, new grilling here on Cooking with Frankie Meatball. I like to start out slow with you guys, okay? Today we're going to make one of my favorites. A nice little side dish called potato bombs and stuffed potatoes with elbow macaroni and cheddar cheese here on Grilling with Frankie Meatball.
Hey, this is Johnny E from Philly Rock Radio.
Hey, this is Kevin from PhillyRockRadio.com, and you're about to get cooking with Frankie Meatball.
Alright, what you're going to need, get yourself a nice sharp knife. You want some nice sized potatoes. You don't want them too big, you don't want them too small. Make a nice size, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm going to chill with these four over here for right now. Okay, so we're going to make two bombs. What you want to get yourself is an apple core, okay? What you want to do is you want to get your apple core, okay? And you're going to go through the potato, turn it around, and pull it out, okay? So here's the first potato. Alright, okay? I'll just pull that right out. You can see right through, huh? I see you, eh? Then pop this out. Put this to the side for now. Alright? Get your next potato, same thing. Alright. We got our bombs ready, guys. Okay? We're going to take these two, we're going to set them to the side. We're going to set up our bombs first, okay? So what you want to do with potato bombs, we're going to stuff these holes, okay? You can stuff it with anything you want. Cheese, bacon, we're going to wrap it with bacon. So if you want to put bacon in it too, put bacon. But if you're going to put bacon, I recommend getting the real bacon bits from bacon. Or grill your own bacon, chop it up, throw it in there. But anyway, so I'm going to use some cheddar cheese in there, okay? And I'm going to do some turkey lunch meat. I mean, you could put ham in it. I mean, the sky's the limit. If you could stuff it, you could eat it. You know what I'm saying? So, put your finger on the bottom. We'll get some cheese. Slide some cheese in there, right? Slice some cheese. A couple pieces of pepperoni in there, right? Just push it down. A little more cheese, right? Some more pepperoni, right? Just push it in. Push it down, you know what I mean? A little more cheese. Oopsie. You don't want to break that, right? The Wilmax dishes. Okay? You got more cheese. Boom. Look at that. Put some more pepperoni. Get some pepperoni in there, right? Leave yourself a little bit of room so you can put these potatoes back in it. I'm going to get the core. Slice. Slice. Right? Turn it around. Push it in. Turn it around. Push it in. Like that. Huh? Very nice. We got some bacon, right? Put your bacon right here in the hole a little bit. Wrap. Give it a little stretch. Wrap that bacon nice and nice all the way around and stick some in the hole. Okay? Now, you grab your potato and you stick it in. See that? See, now it's nice and tight. Get your other potato, stick it right in the hole. Put it in nice and tight. Okay? You can leave it like that. You can sprinkle some rub on it, but I'm just going to do some salt. Boom. Little pepper. Right? Some salt, little pepper. Kosher salt, guys, with potatoes. You know what I'm saying? Get a little more salt on there, right? Boom. Get yourself some aluminum foil. Rip a nice little piece of aluminum foil. Grab your potato, wrap it real nice. This one, I'm going to do cheddar and turkey. Remember, put your finger down, a little bit of turkey, shove it in there like that, right? A little bit of cheese, right? Push that down nicey nice, and a little more turkey. I mean, you can stuff it with anything you want, guys. You know, this is just what I'm feeling, and this is what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? I mean, get creative with it. Do what you got to do with it, you know? You get your bacon, boom, okay? Overlap the hole, again, wrap it around. And right now, I hope your barbecue grill's on. Or you can stick them in the oven, 350, you know. Wrap it up. You got your potato just like I did over there. Cut this one in half, like that. Then you're gonna scoop this potato out. It's kind of like making potato skins here. That's the kind of effect you want to go, but you want your potato raw. I'm gonna clean my mess up. I'm sure you got a mess on your hands, right? So you clean your mess, I'm gonna clean my mess, and I'll see you back on Grilling with Frankie Meatball. You got your potatoes gutted, right? Take some macaronis, some cheese, right? Take a little more macaronis, a little more cheese on the bottom, right? Now, if you still got pepperoni left out, throw some pepperoni in it, you know? You don't have to do macaroni and cheese with the macaronis and the cheese. It's, you know, whatever you want to do. But this is what I'm going to do, okay? So now we'll just close her up. Just make sure it closes up. I'm going to set it to the side. I'm going to stuff this one. Same thing, some macaronis, more cheese than macaronis, because that's how I feel. Get your bacon, again, just wrap it around there. You know, pull it, you know? Give it a good stretch when you're wrapping it around, alright? Because it's going to hold the potato closed. Alright? Me, I like a little salt. Boom, man. Some pepper. We'll put that there. Same thing with this one. Nicey nice. Overlap it like that. Boom, huh? Give it a little salt. Boom. Right? A little pepper. Boom. Alright, now you get your aluminum foil. Alright? Get your aluminum foil and wrap her up. Nice and nice. Huh? Alright, you got your stuffed potatoes. You got your potato bomb. And then we got regular baked potatoes. I'm going to go throw these on the grill. We're going to let them cook. And when they're cooking, you want to flip them side to side. You do the fork test. When the fork goes right through the potato really nice, hey, then they're done. Okay? So these are going to be cooking. I'm going to be chilling, listening to PhillyRockRadio.com while these bad boys are cooking, and I'm getting the rest of my dinner together here on Grilling with Frankie Meatball. I put the potatoes on the grill. I like putting them towards the back so I can use the front for hot dogs or some chicken or whatever. So I'm just going to make these for now. Thursday nights, 7 p.m., 7 to 9, 2 hours of some hardcore music. Local bands, I'm telling you, Kevin and Johnny E live on Thursday nights, guys. I'm telling you, check it out. I'm getting ready to put some Philly Rock Radio on as my potatoes cook. As I get my dinner ready, I listen to PhillyRockRadio.com.
Check it out.
Hey? How's that for potato action, right? You got your potato bomb. You got your stuffed baked potato with macaroni and cheese wrapped in bacon. You got your regular stuff here, guys. One more time. Take a look at this. Look at this macaroni and cheese. Take a look at that, huh? Oh my God. Look at this. Pepperoni and cheddar bomb. Look at that. You see, that's the little wick right there. That's why we call it a bomb, okay? Look at this. Bacon is cooked beautifully. I'm telling you guys. I am telling you. Grilling with Frankie Meatball. This is only the beginning, huh? follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and I take requests. I even take recommendations. If you see me doing something wrong or you got a better way to do it, you tell me. Email me at cookingwithfrankiemeatball@gmail.com. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. And don't forget, Thursday night, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. PhillyRockRadio.com live with Kevin and Johnny E. Let's turn it over to Mini Meatball.
If you like what you saw, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on that bell notification so you get notified when a new video comes out every Wednesday. And don't forget, check out PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the forefathers to the bad mothers of rock.
The bad mothers of rock.
They play my favorites, Kiss, Motley Crue, Ozzy Osbourne, Mach 22, and Rat Rod.
Rat Rod. Kind of like Ray Brown, right guys? You remember Rat Rod. Rat Rod. You know what I'm saying over here? So what else, pal? What else you got to tell these guys? Think you should tell them? All right.